Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, it's Cody Karpinen here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button below and click the notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you a campaign reveal. So I just completed my advanced Bing Ads training course, and I showed you everything that I do when I set up my profitable campaigns with Bing Ads. Throughout the course, I show you how to set up a campaign for a lutein ageless offer. It's a skincare trial offer. So once I submitted the campaign for approval, doing all my advanced methods, the same day it got approved, I actually got a conversion from it. I'm going to show you that in the later part of this video. That video will be an actual section from my advanced Bing Ads training course. But right now I want to show you what I did to set up the campaign that ended up getting a conversion on the first day. So it all started out with split testing 2 different email submit landing pages with ClickFunnels. So I made 2 email submit landing pages, and I decided not to do the actual drawings myself to save you guys the ugliness of my drawing skills. So this is what I did. So landing page variation 1 was just a plain email submit, like give me your email, your name and email, and submit to get your free trial. And then my landing page version 2 was actually using a click pop with ClickFunnels, and that actually ended up resulting in the sale. I found that click pops work a lot better than just having the email submit on the page, because when you have a click pop, it's like a micro commitment. And I'll actually show you the landing page right now. Okay, so this is what I meant by the click pop. This is the landing page that I created. So this is like a micro commitment. When someone says, yes, I want to try lutein for free, they click it, and then the click pop comes up and it says 50% complete. Enter your name and email to receive your lutein ageless trial bottle. And these always work better. And I showed you how to do this one, the click pop, and then the regular email submit. So this is what I was talking about. This is variation 1. This is variation 2. Variation 2 outperformed this by a long shot. So that's what I was meaning by the click pop. So now back to this. So I set up my split test variation. I had all the tracking in there working properly. You got to test that before you start sending any traffic to it. And then I also showed you guys how to create your 7-day follow-up email series. So this is very important as well, because a lot of the times customers don't buy on the first time. So when an average customer comes and gives their name and email and then they go to the lutein ageless offer, they might not want to buy right then and there, but because they gave us their email, we have 7 different chances to get them to actually purchase the product. So that is some very advanced stuff. I also show you in my advanced training how to track each email properly, so you can see which emails are working and where the clicks are coming from. Was it the image in the email, or was it the text link? All that good stuff. So that is another big thing. I have a patented 7-day follow-up series that works amazing for me, and I share that with you guys. And then, here are some split tests that I also did in Bing Ads. So we created many different ad groups using the Bing Keyword Planner, the Google Keyword Planner. I couldn't write this in there, but manual or advanced manual keyword research, and then buying related keywords, my new and improved buying related keyword strategy. And then in other split tests that we did were ad copies. So I only did 2 for each ad group, but if I were doing an in-depth, like actual campaign setup, I would have done 4 to 6 ads in each ad group. And then ad extensions. So you can have 4 to 6 ad extensions, site link extensions, underneath your ad, which will take up valuable Bing Ads real estate. And our first sale actually came from a site link extension. So that is very exciting. Split testing device. So was it a mobile phone, tablet, desktop? Our sale was actually a mobile phone. I think it was an Android. Networks, owned and operated versus syndicated partners. Our sale came from syndicated. And then other split tests that I show you how to do in the advanced Bing Ads training course is split testing age, gender, and all that good stuff. One more thing I wanted to go over was how important having site link extensions was. So originally this would be my ad if I didn't have any site link extensions. So if someone went to Bing and typed in skincare cream or whatever, my ad would show up like this. But because I had so many site link extensions, I took up so much space with these, and this is just valuable Bing Ads real estate, because instead of having just this ad, we nearly tripled our ad size. So that is very important stuff. And so that's pretty much it for this segment. I'm going to show you the video where I dive into the actual sale that I made the first day the campaign got approved, and what I do with my winning keywords and my winning combinations once I start getting sales. So I really hope you enjoy this video coming up, and I will see you there. Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? So I got some exciting news. We got our very first conversion last night. So as you can see right here, I'm in my GrabAds Media back office, and I went to yesterday because today is February 16th. So February 15th, we got our very first conversion for Ludicine Ageless. We created this Ludicine campaign at like 6 o'clock p.m. on February 14th. It got approved early February 15th. So technically we got a conversion the same day that our campaign got approved. That is so exciting, and it's so motivational for you guys. I literally walked you through step by step how I created this campaign, and it already shows that there's a conversion. So that is so cool. And I'll show you the stats from yesterday. So I spent about 28 bucks. And that's okay, because we spent 28, made 32. This is our testing phase. Like for the first 5 to 7 days, we're going to be lucky to break even, because we're going to be testing all of these different keyword ad groups, all these different combinations, like female 18 to 24, male 18 to 24, 25 to 34, etc. The first few days are very crucial to gather all of the essential information for running a successful campaign, which is which keywords are working, what query strings are working, which ad IDs are resulting in the sales, which age group, which network, which gender, etc. So I showed you in the previous video all the split tests we made, and you can't overlook the split testing process. If you invest a lot into your split tests in your testing phase, you can delete all of the combinations that are losers, focus all of your money on the winners, and then that is like Bing Ads 101 on how to create a successful Bing Ads campaign. So I'm going to show you the reports. So once you get a conversion, just come to the reports tab, click on click report, and then I'll go yesterday. And you can see all these click magic test clicks. That's just click magic, making sure the link is up and active. So we had 3 legit clicks, and I can tell because sub ID 2 is the click ID. And look at this, they all came from landing page B. So you remember when we set up the campaign, I said my prediction was that the variation 2 landing page was going to outperform variation 1 because of the click pop, because of the micro commitment they do when they click yes, I want to try Ludicine or whatever, and then the click pop comes and then they enter in their information. They're so much more likely to enter in the information using a click pop than on my control page. Pretty cool that my prediction is accurate so far. I kind of cheated because I know that click pops have always worked better for me, but we'll leave that part out. So we got our first conversion, came from landing page B. We got our unique click ID. So what I want to do now is go to my click magic and see which keyword resulted in the sale. So here are my stats from yesterday. I got to go into my links. February 15th, we had 56 clicks, 3 actions, so 3 email submits, and 1 sale. So I'm gonna click on the sale, and the actual keyword is lotion for dry skin. And here's our ad ID. And our postback URL worked properly, so the sale showed up. That's really good. One thing I like to do is just download the CS. So I'll download that now and then open it. And then this will show you all the stats. So S1 was the keyword ad ID. S2 was query string. So this is what was typed in, dry skin lotion. S3 is Google Keyword Planner 10K plus. This is our ad group. And then S4 was the network, so syndicated or not. And then S5, this was our ad extension. Remember when I said free trial was a great ad extension to have? this just goes to show, S5, that's our ad extension. So the very first ad extension was claim your free trial. That gets so many clicks, and obviously it works because that is what resulted in the sale yesterday. So amount is 32, country US, tier 1. So Chrome, Android, it was on a mobile phone. So very interesting stuff. And then the time frame was 11:46 p.m. So now what I want to do is take this query string and create my own ad group for winning combinations. So I'm in my Ludicine campaign. I'll go to ad groups, create ad group, and then I'll type in winning queries exact. So I'm going to do exact match for the query strings. And then I'll use the campaign settings from, let's say, so then you just choose your language. You just create your own campaign for the winning queries. Use the bid that I set. Location, I'll keep that the same. Then I could go and create an ad. And then for the keywords, I'm going to come and grab the winning query, which we tracked in our S2, and just paste it in there. So I just typed it in there between the brackets. So, and then you want to come and take out the pluses. And there's our exact match. So we have one keyword, and we got our ad group name, winning queries exact. So you can set your bid a lot higher for this. So maybe like $1 for this keyword, because we know that it's working. And then you can do your detailed targeting that we went over in the previous video. But this is all on you guys. I'm not going to go and do this. I just wanted to show you what I do when I get my winning keywords. I separate them, and then I increase the bid, put them at exact match, because I know that those keywords are the money makers. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm still very excited that we got a conversion the first day that the campaign was live. That's very, very motivating, and I hope you guys are excited, because this kind of just goes to show the potential, how much potential there is using Bing ads in CPA marketing. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.